Here's the single pulley setup. You have one pulley hooked up to the ring stand. You have a string going across it. One string goes down to the mass hanger. The other string is the one attached to the force probe that you're pulling. So as you pull on the string, the mass hanger will rise. And you're measuring the forces and you're measuring the distances.
For your second setup, you'll see again we've got ring stand and then horizontal support. And then in this one, we've got the pulley. The pulley is connected to the ring stand. The first pulley is. And then there's another pulley here. And the mass is connected to the bottom pulley. And the string, you start the string on the top pulley, wrap it around like that.
Here's the double pulley, top pulley hooked to the rings, string hooked to the bottom of the top pulley, goes down around the bottom pulley, mass hanger is attached to the bottom pulley, and you pull on the string that is not attached to the pulley.
And then in your third setup, we're going to use what's called a block and tackle, which is multiple pulleys put together. They look like this. And what you're going to do again is hook up the masses to the bottom pulley system, and you're going to hook up the top pulley system to the horizontal support. And you're basically going to set it up like this last setup, except you're going to keep going. So you tie the string to the bottom pulley of the top pulley system, and then you wrap it like this. Okay, so what we're going to be thinking about here is the work input. And the work input is going to be equal to the force that you exert times the distance that you pull. The work output is going to be equal to the weight of the thing that you're lifting times the distance that you lift it. So there's actually four things that you're measuring here. You're measuring the weight of the masses. You're measuring the distance that the masses are lifted by the pulley system. You're measuring the force that you're putting in. And you're measuring the distance that you exert that force.
I start pulling with my thumb at 90 centimeters. The mass is at 50 centimeters. I need to lift the mass 20 centimeters. I pull until the mass is lifted from 50 to 70 centimeters. That's a total of 20 centimeters. How far did I pull down? Remember, my hand was at 90 when I started, and now it's nearly to 10. So the purpose of part 2 of the lab is to find out the efficiency in moving a block from the bottom to the top of the ramp.